Oh my God. You got me there. That hurts.
Feel that stretch, Eric?
Mm-hmm.
Eric, bring me down. Oh. Man. It's good. Yeah. It really is like column, perfect, man. Touch it up with that neck tension big time.
All right, we're here with Coach Nick over at Xtreme Couture, head coach, manager, holds pads for the best and coaches the best fighters in the world. He's got a whole bunch of great fighters up in his stable. He's carrying on the legend of Randy Couture over here, and looks like the future of the sport over here. I mean, everybody he's got, Dan Ige, Francis Ngannou, Claudia, they're all going to the top of the sport. So what he's doing is working. Now we got to keep his body working.
Pretty much my whole right side shut down. Really don't have much feeling, like nerve damage probably in these two fingers here from the neck. And yeah, it's really just mainly my whole right side. So I can't really feel anything.
And then on top of being a pro fighter and a coach himself, he also was a D1 athlete, football player. So I mean, he's been putting his body to work for a long time. So let's go like that. Put both hands like that for me. Let's see what we got here. Push out to the outside. Push out to the outside. Yeah, a little weaker. Push in. Okay. And then same thing here. Go right there. Palm up. Hold. Can you stop me there? Not really. Okay. That's it. So you feel like coming right out of there?
Yep, big time. Yeah, I can actually feel it in my fingers when you hit that spot.
Yeah. So I'm gonna clear that edge like there.
Dude, I can feel like it's all tingling through my tricep, like through here.
From that one spot?
Mm-hmm, where you're hitting it.
So back to center, and then right all the way. And there we go. Shake that out.
Right on that nerve.
Good there. Push out.
Yep.
How about that?
A lot better. Yep.
So go right there again. Push up.
Dude, I feel it in my neck. That's crazy. I feel that, like that nerve, like tingling in the neck.
That rib goes through here all the way back to here. So what happens is it pinches the nerve right there and turns it off the end of the arm. Looks like light sounding cool.
I like it.
We got the one with the.
It's more dramatic.
Yeah. I gotta get somebody to make some more of these.
Man, that's the spot.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's attached right to that spot, yeah.
It just gets warm.
Like you're feeling blood into it?
I can feel like blood coming in my hand.
So it's probably colder than you think all the rest of the time.
Right.
Pretty locked in, bro.
Yeah, feel better.
I think it's cyclical. I think his neck is turning his rotator off and the rotator isn't engaged. And then when the rotator is engaged, then the pec over engages and pulls it forward and pulls it out. Grab the table with your left hand. There.
Well, that's the highest I've been able to put my shoulder. I wouldn't be able to go this high.
No?
Nah.
That was way out.
Anything over my head was just way too painful.
Shoulder always creaks like that?
Nope.
No?
A little bit. I mean, not that bad though. Is that like crepitus?
Yeah. But it feels like it's your shoulder blade on your
Dude,
ribs.
that's crazy, right?
Yeah. So watch if I do it here. So
I'm fine.
do that.
Yeah.
It's the shoulder blade on the ribs. Hear that? For sure. Push down towards my face. Push down towards my face.
Can't.
They're both pretty. They're both pretty. I mean, That's what I expect from a striking coach. Serratus is always, I mean, any striker anyway, because your serratus is your punch muscle.
Right.
Bench muscle.
Yep.
That muscle has to engage to not get your shoulder ripped off when you're taking that hard shot on the pads.
That's it.
So Brandon got this. Everybody
Oh, I bet.
There we go. Push down. Yeah.
Big time.
Oof. Ooh. Crunchy, bro. Super crunchy.
Ooh.
So pull to there and then extend back. Keep doing that motion.
You got me there. That hurts.
Almost got me. Not bad. Sorry, so what's your craziest locker room story? It doesn't have to be your fighter. What's the craziest thing you've ever seen in a locker room?
Oh man, it's tough to say. I mean, I've been here since day one, but if anything, it's going to include Jay Heron. You know, Jay Heron's. I always called Jay Heron the hockey enforcer without a hockey stick. Right?
Okay.
He never was. He was just skating around waiting for somebody to say something or do something wrong. But you know, I'd say probably one of my favorite Jay Heron stories was we had a couple guys in from France and speak zero English at all, straight French. And Jay drops one of the guys, and Jay's like, "Parlez-vous français, motherfucker?" I was like, "You just asked a French dude if you spoke French, bro." He's like, "Yeah, I know, whatever." You know, just that was Jay, man. He was the hammer in here. So
Hey, at least he knew the words.
yeah, he still is. He still is the hammer. He still is the hammer.
Rotation is the biggie. Scapular motion. Let's do a couple more wall push-ups. Less creaky. Oh, there's some right there. All right, go face down one more time. This spot's gonna be like right inside the edge there. And you can feel the rib off. Feel right there. Use posterior here, anterior here, and then posterior here, anterior here. And then this one would go here, hand under your thigh. And then tongue on that one. So for this one, take them up, put them there, knee to there. So block humerus, look here, lean body weight back. And then you can go needle straight in there in the belly of the muscle.
You been trying this one?
Yeah. I mean, I don't do that often, but I've done it. You get habits of different ones, but when you see a presentation a few times in a row again, and you're like, oh yeah, that's the thing I used to do that works really good.
It's like a lot.
Yeah. There we go. Actually, if I get that spot right there.
And this is separate.
That one sucks? Or not too bad?
No,
Feels good?
no, I wouldn't say it feels good.
Okay.
But I'm trying to maintain poker face under here.
Nobody can see your face down there, my
Yeah,
brother.
it feels great, bro.
See how the shoulder gets out of the way now? with the
Dude,
blade?
that's amazing. Like, can't do military. You know, anytime I bench, I know I'm compensated for my right side.
Go back like you're doing military. And push up. Good.
Way better, dude. And I can feel my fingers.
The small things, huh?
Yeah, dude. Like,
Feel my fingers.
yeah. So if I sleep on my left side,
Mm-hmm.
this whole right side shuts down. So I just, lay on my back because wake up, my whole arm is numb just from sleeping on my left side.
So I push there as it go.
Yeah, it hurts like hell.
Does it travel?
It just goes, yeah, the whole string shoots. Oh. Got me. Oh.
Not bad.
All right. You got me.
Not bad.
Oh. Found the spot.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Brachialis. That's spicy.
Oh.
Swole guys always got tight brachialis. There we go. All the way up again. Ah! That's better extension.
Dude. What was that? that the scaling?
Yeah,
Is that
the
what that
scaling,
is?
but reaching back to the ribs with it.
You touched my soul, man.
Yeah.
That thing hurt.
Because that rib goes here through to here.
Yeah,
So you can grab the front of it there.
that's it. Like the whole thing
Yeah.
just.
Vulcan death
It's like
grip.
a little brother deal right there.
Vulcan death grip right there.
Oh my god. Shoots like through my jaw, my back of my ear. Oh man.
You gotta trust the spider sense.
Yeah.
Somebody's being weird about stuff like that.
Right.
So to the point where you would almost move, but don't rest. Or pulsation. So keep that tension where you're at in your arms, then just pull back with your ass, just so you slightly move. Yeah. A little more bounce. Almost like a nerve floss. There. Add a little more arm. There. Feel that stretch, Eric?
Mm-hmm. Can hardly hear you though, but
Just go with it.
Eric. Eric, what's your social media, bro? IG?
Social media.
Eric_XC MMA. I haven't been able to feel my hand for a long time. So just even some of the treatment that you did, I think right away just started feeling that blood flow in that arm. You know, feels great.
Yeah. That makes one of us, because I can feel his hand right now.
Oh,
Make sure to go give him a follow. This dude's taking care of all the best stars in the sport right now. Rising star. He's been rising for a long time, but he's reaching his peak now. So go check him out.
thanks guys. Thanks for having me, Doc. Appreciate you.